never give up. Hold your head high and reach the top. Let the world see what you have got. Bring it all back to you. Dream of falling in love. Anything you've been thinking of.
Hi guys, I'm Taylor, this is Rachel, and this is Faith, and today we're going to be doing one of our dance tutorials. Let's get started. Let's get started. Alright guys, so the first dance move we're going to do is we're going to put our arm here, sit into our hip and push forward. We're going to go up, down, down. You have that? Alright, let's go, ready? So don't stop, up, down, down. Okay, do we want to do that with the music? Alright, let's go. 3, 2, and 1.
Don't stop, never give up.
Alright, good job. Let's go again. 3, 2, and 1.
Don't stop, never give up.
Good job. One last time. 3, 2, and 1.
Don't stop, never give up.
Alright, good job guys. Now our next movement, we're going to put our arms like this. We're going to hit to the side, and then we're going to go up and up. Alright, so we go don't stop. 1, 2, hit, up. Alright, we'll do that one more time without music. Don't stop. 1, 2, hit, up. Do you guys want to do the music now? Let's get going.
Don't stop, never give up. Hold your head high and reach the top.
Alright, good job. Let's go another 2 times. Sorry.
Don't stop, never give up. Hold your head high and reach the top.
Good job. Let's go one more time.
Don't stop, never give up. Hold your head high and reach the top.
Good job guys. So after that, when we reach the sky, we're going to step with our leg in front and bring our leg arm around and click. And we're going to turn to the front. Okay, so we go reach the top, step, click, turn around and bring it all back to you. Okay, you guys want to do that the music one more time?
Yeah.
So reach the top, click in front and bring it all back to you. Okay, good job. Should we do that with the music 3 times?
Yeah.
Let's get started.
Don't stop, never give up. Hold your head high and reach the top. Let the world see what you have got. Bring it all back to you.
Alright guys, we'll do that 2 more times.
Don't stop, never give up. Hold your head high and reach the top. Let the world see what you have got. Bring it all back to you.
Alright, good job guys. So after this movement, we're going dream of falling in love. Alright? So 1, 2, 3, 4, step, flick, heart. One more time without the music. So 1, 2, 3, 4, step, flick, heart. Okay, we'll do that with the music 3 times. Let's get started.
Don't stop, never give up. Hold your head high and reach the top. Let the world see what you have got. Bring it all back to you. Dream of falling in love.
Alright, we'll do that 2 more times. Let's get going.
Don't stop, never give up. Hold your head high and reach the top. Let the world see what you have got. Bring it all back to you. Dream of falling in love.
Alright guys, we'll go one more time with the music.
Don't stop, never give up. Hold your head high and reach the top. Let the world see what you have got. Bring it all back to you. Dream of falling in love.
Alright guys, good job. Okay, so now what we do from here is you're going to bring our arms to the back and sway 2 times. And then we're going to step out with our right foot on our head and bounce. to the side. Alright, so do we want to add that on? So after the heart, sway, sway, hit and hit. We'll do that one more time without music. So heart, sway, sway, hit and hit. And that's the ending. So we'll do that with the music 3 more times. Here we go.
Don't stop, never give up. Hold your head high and reach the top. Let the world see what you have got. Bring it all back to you. Dream of falling in love. Anything you've been thinking of.
Good job, guys. Just 2 more times. 3, 2, and 1.
Don't stop, never give up. Hold your head high and reach the top. Let the world see what you have got. Bring it all back to you. Dream of falling in love. Anything you've been thinking of.
Good job, guys. Just 1 more time.
Don't stop, never give up. Hold your head high and reach the top. Let the world see what you have got. Bring it all back to you. Dream of falling in love. Anything you've been thinking of.
Alright, guys, and that's the end. Thank you for being with us today with our dance tutorials. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Don't stop, never give up. Hold your head high and reach the top. Let the world see what you have got. Bring it all back to you. Dream of falling